Yo, what's going on, everyone? Kylan here. Hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to be continuing on our project of changing my portfolio here. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing I want to do is we got the nav bar done last time, so I want to focus on this main section here. I want to add a on the I want to give a full page to for the most part a full page to to each individual section, or at least going to try that. So yeah, we'll see if we can see if we can do that. um So first thing I want to do is kind of like introduce myself, what I am, and we'll go from there. So let's see. I'll go over here. All right. And the first thing I want to do is add an H1. All right, and that pops up. All right. So on this section, and okay, whoops, I kind of just broke everything. Okay, got that. Okay, fixed. All right. So let's see here. On this section, um, got width is 100%. So let's pull that up real quick. Okay, so this is 100% width. 100% width. Okay, and this has got so this has got the nav is the parent container, or not the nav, but the main is the parent container, and this is the nav section. This is the text section, and then this is the gallery section, width on the screen. So we definitely want width of 100%. And I'm probably gonna reuse this. I'm probably gonna reuse these two section things for each one of my sections. Um, well, maybe not actually. Um, no, I lied. I'm not gonna do that. Um, we'll put a div on the inside here, and we'll. All right, so this will be just call it Kyland. All right. This will be my section where I introduce myself and everything. So we'll add an H1 here. So okay, so let's actually split that apart. Um, so on on my section, I want to, actually, no, I lied. Let's, let's do a, I want to be able to reuse each class for each section. So, let's remove, whoops, remove all that. Let's remove this, and let's actually make this a, let's just make this a container. Let's do a section container. Alright. And then we'll have another div. So the section container, get rid of that. So the section container will be the structure for that sub-container or that subsection. So I'll reuse this class in just about every single section that I want to add. So let's see here. Section container. I want to let's see here. Section container. I want a min height of, let's see, let's give it a min height of 95% and see how that looks. Okay, so what am I trying to accomplish here? Actually, I think I'm just going to do 100% height. That way I have the minimum height is always going to be 100% height of the parent container. That way I do just have a whole page for each section. That might pose some problems in the future, but we'll come back to that later. So, on the section container, we have a minimum height of 100%, and then if I go down here and add another with a class of section container, and I save that, and we get another full 100% height section container. So that'll work. The white is kind of an issue. Let's see if we can fix that real quick. So we want so I want the main to have the so let's see if we can do this. Min height 100%. Okay, that's still breaking. Let's do actually height auto. It's still breaking. Why is it still breaking? So my biggest issue right now is that this is the background color is only spanning just 100% of the screen, and then when I scroll it turns back to white. So let's see how I can fix that. Let's see. So I just want to okay. Let's do this on here. Well, no, that's not working either. Nope, still not working. See, because I want to be able to reuse the section container for both the text section and the gallery section. So I kind of just want this to be able to like flow. So wait, what if I do minimum height 100% and we do max height max height of fit content, and then if I add see, that's not gonna work either. Okay. Let's see here. Minimum height 100%. Let's background color inherit. Yeah, there we go. Let's see, but that's not. I don't understand why it's not like. What if I set. What if I set on the main container? Set the background color to. No. Hmm. I don't. Let's see what's actually going on over here. Maybe we can figure out what's going on. Nope. No. Nope. I'm just playing around with this stuff right now. I don't, kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I've done a little bit of playing around, and this is what I've come up with. Basically, what's going on here um, is I separated the nav completely from everything else. Um, so the nav is standalone. It is fixed in place. So um, that will always be on the left side. I've got two main classes, two main sections per se. Um, okay. Okay, got it. And we'll. Okay. So I've got two main classes for each section. So I've got the text container, which is this left-hand container. Wait, I've got the text container, which is this left-hand container here that's black. And then I've got the um, graphics container right here, which is this right-hand side container. Um, and I could just copy that down as needed for containers. This text container has got is taking into account the left 5% of the screen width for the nav, and then the right hand side is just filling up the rest of the screen basically. So that's what I've got so far. So what I want to work on is adding some actual content to these. So I think what I'm gonna do is, let's see. Let's do a flex container on this. And then basically everything on the inside will be flex based, flex box. So we'll do a flex and then we'll do this flex container. Okay. And then that flex container class, we will, let's see, flex container class, we will add some padding on the inside. Let's do 10 pixels all the way around. See how that looks. And yeah, nothing's, there we go. Okay, the only thing I've got in there is that H1 right now, but that's gonna change. So also with this flex container, I want to display flex, right, and nothing's really changed inside of there. And we're going to do a flex direction of column, so that way everything goes down. So on this flex container, we're going to set, let me move you back over here. On this flex container, we're going to set a height of 100%. And I'm going to change that to 20 pixels of padding. Let's give a little bit more room. Yeah, we'll add, okay, perfect. So this is what it looks like here. So we've got the flex, the sections. So the sections are each one of these sections, and then inside of that we've got flex containers. I've got a flex container of and it's got flex direction of column, and then we'll just put all of our content inside of these flex containers. So let's see what I want to add. Let's see. Oops. Alright, so I'm going to add an H2 here. Alright, and then that looks like that. So we've got that flex container, and it's got two H1s in there. Actually, I don't really need the flex container. If I don't really need the display of flex, if I'm being completely honest. There's no real need for that. Everything just flows the same without it. So we'll keep that like that. Yeah. I might change it back to flex later. We'll see how it goes. So what I want to work on next, we'll make this an H2, and then we'll make this an H1. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Okay, now wait a minute. What's going on? What's actually going on here? Why? Okay. Everything is breaking and I don't know why. Let's see here. So we've got the sections. Now why is this section here shifted downwards? My question. Let's actually change that back to display of flex. It'll be easier to position it inside of the container. And yeah, we'll do that. Oops. I just go away, go away. There we go. Okay, perfect. Now that container's fixed, we've got our flex column, our flex column, and this thing looks like it's fixed as well. So, and then down here looks like it's fixed as well. Okay, perfect. So let's continue adding some content. So I'm going to put a paragraph here. I will fill that out later. Let's just do, for now, lorem 100. Oops. We'll do that for now. That way we have a little bit of fill. And then, really, I think that's just about it. I've got, yeah, let's work on this second section now. I'll fill out I'm gonna have to draft something up to figure out what I actually want to write there. And in this second container, I've actually got a video I'd like to put in there. So video, and then give me 1 second. Let me actually drag that into the project real quick. Okay, so I dragged a video in, and a little broken. I don't know why. I'm in the process of trying to fix it here. So what is... So it's got a... So we've got an object fit of contain. Let's do some Googling here. Video in HTML. There we go. Let's go with that. Let's do here. Okay. There's no CSS on that. So it takes in a control tag. So let's try playing around with that a little bit. So let's do... So wait a minute. Let's get rid of all of this actually. And let's do a video tag. Embeds a media player which supports video playback into the document. You can use the video for audio content as well, but the audio element may provide a more appropriate user experience. Let's see, is this, yeah, it's an MP4 video. So let's, it looks like there's a source tag. source is equal to video slash that. Alright. Got that video added. So what's next? It looks like we've got the source and then we need a type. So it'd be video slash MP4. Okay, and then we also need to add controls to the video. Controls. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, very nice. So here's it with the controls. Alright, so let's see why it's still broken. So let's play around with that. Let's go back here. Width. Okay, is it in pixels is my question. I would assume that it would be. Kind of looks like it is. Yeah. Width 80 pixels, height 100 pixels. Okay, so let's do a 500 by 500 video player. There we go. Okay. So I don't understand why it's still pushing everything down. Like, it shouldn't be pushing everything down like that. Let's play with the object fit, I guess. Um, object fit. So we've already got the object fit contain. Cover would probably cover everything. See, it's still not. Alright, let's do some more looking here. Autoplay, I don't want autoplay. Controls list. Cross origin. A Boolean attribute indicating that the video is to be played inline, that is within the element's playback area. Note that the absence of this attribute does not imply that the video will always be played in full screen. Okay, source width. Styling video in CSS. Okay. In the previous cross-browser video player article, we described how to build a cross-browser HTML5 video player using media and full-screen APIs. video pushes content down CSS. HTML video overlay partially pushing down video. It's kind of what I'm having an issue with. You want a wrapper which is always over the video but does not somehow move it because of its own or its children's dimensions. Okay. So it is positioned, so it's the position of the video player is basically it. So we've got, let's see here. Let's put all of this inside of a div. Okay, and then this div is going to be video container. Whoops. Whoops. Video container. Okay. So then we'll video container, remove all this. Alright. Position relative. %. Alright, so that should that'll give us 100% of the parent container height. And then the video itself, let's see. Okay, there we go. There we go. So let's see here. So we've got flex container, which does not matter anymore, honestly. I could probably actually just... Whoops. Okay, maybe it does matter. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do top 50%, right 50%. So it's gonna center align the video. Okay. Okay. So full screen works. And it looks like all of that is working. Um, okay. Okay. Okay, I see. Picture in picture. Oh, that's right. Okay. Um, so the question is, okay, so yeah, it's gonna be my biggest issue there. Um, hmm. 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 Let's play around here a little bit. Never worked with a video before, so video container really doesn't matter because with the position absolute, it's taken out of the normal document flow. So alright, let's see here. I want to figure out how to okay. Okay, let's try that. Okay, perfect. Okay. What am I after here? What am I after here? I want to. Height of 300. Okay, so 300 pixels seems to be the right height. Developer. Okay. So let's just try to kind of center align it. So let's. Okay, so we've got the video there, and everything looks to be still intact. Alright. If I do top 50%, bottom 50%. No, it's not gonna. Okay, I will figure out how to make the video responsive. I'll figure out how to do that later. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to figure out how to do it now. Make video responsive CSS. Okay, let's see here. Using the max width property. Max width 100%, height auto. Okay, there we go. There we go. Very nice. So nope. Okay. So the it looks like the width and the height are just the dimensions of the video player itself, and that doesn't pertain to anything else. And then looks like we can use the max width property to set the maximum width of the video to 100%, so it doesn't ever so it always stays on the screen. Okay. Now so the video container, so let's see here. See, the video container isn't taking a width. Does the parent of the video container not have a width? The flex container? No, it does not. Okay. Now see the... Okay, so see that doesn't even matter because again, it's out of the standard document flow anyway, so okay. Okay. So just trying to figure out how to center the video, I guess. So the video container, we've got the video container, and then the video class. Okay then. Okay. That was just dumb. Okay, that was even more dumb. There we go. There we go. Alright, so I played around a little bit more, and looks like this is what we've got. Looks pretty decent, I would say. I'm talking about the video container at least. Um, is responsive. I will make it, more responsive later on whenever we go to uh, working on mobile stuff. So let's work on this first container here. So I want to. Okay, so it's inside of a flex container. So let's on that flex container, okay, well that just broke everything again. Alright, let's just make a justify center, and we'll justify content center, and then I'll just add that class to this. Whoops. Justify center. Now why did that do that? I don't care about the nav. Okay, because oh, I hate CSS. Alright, I'll scratch that idea, I guess. And then okay, so on this text outline class, we're going to make color of transparent. Alright, and then I know there's a oops. Text stroke. That's what I want. WebKit text stroke. Non-standard. This feature is non-standard and is not on a standards track. Do not use it in production sites facing the web. Okay. Good thing this isn't a production site, right? Browser compatibility. Oh, okay. It looks like as long as you're on a like a newer browser, it should be fine. So let's go back to the code here. And let's add text, or can I just do stroke? White. No. Okay. Doesn't look bad. Okay. Font size. Okay, so, and then I'm gonna do, let's just do dot text white, because I'm sure you reuse that again. Color of white, and then I'll just change this to text, or wait, I'll keep the name class, and then we'll text dash white. And then on the name class, font size, 5 rem. There we go. Looking a little bit better. gonna play with one more thing. I feel like the background needs to be a little bit darker, so let's find that background black. Let's just change it to black. Whoops. That's not what I wanted to do. See, I feel like that's too black. A little too dark. Maybe I move it up a little bit. Okay, let's try that. There we go. That looks good. And it's broke. Why is it broke? It's because of the video container. Again. At which point is it not because of the video container? Okay, let's figure this out here. So max height, 100 view height. Nope. Nope. Still no. Oh my God. Why is this video such a pain? Like, seriously, such a pain. Okay, there we go. So it's just it was just a flex container. Okay, so the video is still responsive. Let's see. Video container. Okay. Let's just add some nope, I don't want that at all. There we go. I want padding. I don't want margin, I want padding. Yeah, there we go. Just a little bit of padding around it. Margin, top, 3 rems. Okay. Okie doke. Now, my next question is gonna be if I add some margin to the top of the first container, is that going to affect everything else? So let's just try yes, that's going to screw everything else up. Oh, God. I shouldn't really need any margin on that, honestly. But, I mean, it is what it is, I guess. I think it looks decent the way it is, so I might play around with it later on. Alright. And then paragraph tag will add a class of text white. That way we get white text. So I think it's looking pretty decent. Looks pretty good. There's definitely going to be styles and stuff that I'll have to clean up later on, but for the most part, it doesn't look bad. So, alright. Alright, well that's that. I think I'm going to end that video there because I'm kind of burnt out on this. So, if you did like the video, make sure you slap a like on the on it. If you want to see more content, I am new, but I am getting better every single day, learning new things every single day. So if you want to see more and follow my journey of becoming a full stack web developer, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.